Hi, so today in this video we are going to learn about the features of Notebook LM. As you can see here, there are multiple features. These are 9 features that are available for you so that you can use it and take advantage for it for your learning experience that will become surely definitely enjoyable for you. So let me show you all of the features one by one in a glimpse so that you can understand it and next time use it while you are learning. So number one is, let's go into the audio overview. As you click over here, you will generate an AI podcast based on the source. For example, the source is like a text here, it's about solar system. So we have generated a an audio, as you can listen on it.
Walk into like almost any middle school science classroom and you are bound to see a model of the solar system sitting on the teacher's desk.
Oh yeah, usually a neat little contraption made of wire.
As you can see, this is basically a podcast based learning experience where the person who is telling and the other person is making him understand and every sort of things. Number 2 is the slide deck. In the slide deck you will see a presentation will appear in front of you. Now you do not have to make it, so I'm clicking on that and you will see this is so beautiful. The architecture of our solar system, everything is covered here, and every information that was there in the notes, the sources that you provided is here. Even I think more of the information which wasn't there is also added here. So this is a complete presentation of many pages completing it, right? Let's move ahead to another one, which is basically so this was the presentation, or you can say the slide deck also. Another one is the video overview. You will see that video overview is so enjoyable and the best among all, because you will see that it makes you understand.
Welcome to today's explainer, Genesis and Geometry of the Solar System. Welcome to we live on this beautiful, wet, temperate rock. It's perfectly set up for life, and honestly, we are incredibly lucky. But the second you step off...
This is a 7-minute video and it is going to explain each and every aspect of this learning experience, making you understand about solar system in a very good manner. Like, you are asking a teacher, your own customized teacher. That's a really one of the best features. Another one is the mind map. As you can click over here, you will see a mind map will generate, and this is the way a mind map will be generated from the sources that you provide. You will see that there are planets. When you click on that, inner planets. When you click on inner planets, you will see the inner planets. You will see the name of the outer planets. Every information that you want to have in your notes in the form of mind map, definitely it is there to help you get that. So let's move ahead to the next feature, that is basically the reports. Now when you click on the reports, you will see that you will get a summary, you can say a guide of understanding this in a way of a note, which is with the headings, with all the bullet points, everything is generated in the reports. And when you click on flashcards, you will see the flashcards will be there. Now, flashcards are very important when it comes to learning. You will see the answer of it, and if you recall that answer that's good for you, you can click on that, and if you don't recall, you can click, you will get it next time. This is the way to learn everything in a single go. Another one is a quiz. So when you click on the quiz, you will see a quiz will be generated, which will definitely going to help you. Like you can see, there are 4 options, there are next one, then there are 4 options and questions. You can generate multiple quizzes from the text that you provide. Another one, and I would say the very best feature, is basically the infographics. As you can click over here, you will see an infographic is generated. You will see that this is the infographic. Now it's contain all of the information and it is so good. I mean, the HD resolution, the kind of text, the font, the size, everything is so good. That's the best feature, I would say. Another one, and the last one, is the data table. When you click on the data table, you will see a table being generated in the form of data. Everything is, in the form of data, so that if you think that you need a data-based learning experience or knowledge about your text or sources that you provide to the NotebookLM, you will be able to get it. So in this way, in this video, we learned that there are multiple features NotebookLM consists, and all these features are really going to help you with any of the information or any of the source that you provide. By adding your source, you will generate multiple sources and click on that. So please subscribe to my channel if you feel that this video has helped you. For more such content in the future, please subscribe, like and comment. We will meet you in the next video.